Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to change the default touch keyboard in Windows 11. Pretty neat way to do it. This is great for a couple of reasons. One, you just want something different. That's fine. And two, perhaps vision problems. It can do wonders for you. So let's take a look here. The default is kind of an unobtrusive white and gray. And it's pretty good the way it is. But let's take a look by opening settings up. You can hit Start Settings or press the Windows key plus I. And we're going to go over to Settings and Personalization right here. And we're going to scroll on down until you find Touch Keyboard right here. Now we get to play around with it. As soon as you start touching it, the keyboard will pop up. Your default, for example, is right around here, 99, 100, something like that. But let's say you're having trouble seeing it or clicking on it. You can either shrink it if you've got super duper eyes. That ship has sailed over here. Or, even if you bring it up just a little bit, as you can see the 100, you get to see it as you go, which is great. You can actually, once it's highlighted, just move your arrow key while you look at it. So I'm just pressing arrow right, arrow right, arrow right. That way I can kind of see it without clicking back and forth. And there's our default. So that's pretty cool, but you can also change the theme. This is your default right there. Here's a light theme, which might work if you have a dark theme going. Or maybe you just like dark. That looks pretty good. Black and white. Color pop. Poppy red. Ice blue. Platinum. Tangerine tides. Lilac river. And you just scroll right on down till you see something you like. I mean, you can see I'm still scrolling. Pretty cool stuff. You want it nice and bright. Custom theme changes everything. Now that allows you to click edit. Now, as you can see, you can actually choose all of your own text, keys, and window colors right here. It takes a little bit of time, but if one of those themes did not work for you, that's pretty cool. Click Save after you make your changes, reset if you change your mind, or cancel if you didn't want to be bothered with it. And here you go, we're back here. And of course, while you're here, it never hurts to look around a little bit. How about key text size? Medium. Let's get this to come back up real quick. Default, move this around so it shows up. There it is, since I don't have a touch machine. And once again, medium, large, and you can kind of see it change as you go. That's a pretty big thing too, especially if you have vision problems, for example. Vision problems, look at me go. And of course, it goes without saying, while you're here, I always recommend taking a look around, typing settings. As long as you're here, make sure everything's working the way you want it. But was that simple or what? So basically you just pick a theme, maybe pick a key size, and I think you'll be pretty thrilled with what you end up with when you're done. And there you have it. That's how you can change the default touch keyboard theme, blah, 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 and other stuff in Windows 11. Thanks for watching as always. Don't forget to subscribe, and see ya.